Hey lads, TechScanning here. So last year, Google made its debut in the smartwatch market with the Pixel Watch. And now, key details regarding its successor, the Pixel Watch 2 are circulating suggesting much needed upgrades. So you see, the first generation of the Pixel Watch was quite a good attempt by the Google. But one of its key limitations that it struggles to stay alive for more than 24 hours. However, as per a known publication source, Google will improve this significantly in its next Pixel Watch. According to them, for the Pixel Watch 2, Google will switch from Samsung's Exynos to Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon W5 processor, most likely the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It is a 4nm chipset featuring 4 Cortex A53 cores in comparison to the first gen Pixel Watch Exynos 9110 that based on a 10nm process with 2 Cortex A53 cores. Of course, this will offer an increased performance compared to its predecessor, but the most notable impact of this change that we could see the Pixel Watch 2 with a much improved battery backup. Earlier, it was expecting Google's Watch 2 to use the 5nm Exynos W920 chipset that we saw on the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. So it seems like the tech giant wants to surprise everyone. Considering Google has already announced the Wear OS 4 with several optimizations, the Snapdragon W5 chipset will allow the Pixel Watch 2 to go easily over 24 hours with always-on display, while over 2 days with proper battery saving settings. Moving forward, the report says Google Pixel Watch 2 will utilize the same set of health sensors as the Fitbit Sense 2, such as all-day stress management and tracking and skin temperature sensor. The Google Pixel Watch 2 is expected to arrive alongside the Google Pixel 8 lineup, which could happen in October 2023. Anyway, one of its top rivals, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series, is returning with the fan favorite feature. To check it out, click here. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.